Hey y'all, today we're gonna be talking about something that my friends in the East they like to call it shawarma. It's real good. We're gonna be making some real good shawarma, so stay tuned because coming up next is the best shawarma. Now we're cooking some chicken shawarma here. We have about a kilogram, whatever that is, of chicken. We got our onion, it's red, real red. Some jalapenos, some lemon, our yogurt, and then some paprika, some turmeric, some peppercorns, cumin, and last but not least, fennel.
And some salt.
Salt.
Alright, basically now we just add some yogurt here inside the plastic bag. Let's add some turmeric in here a little bit. And probably I need to add some lemon for my own taste. I'm gonna add some cumin seeds. Then we'll be adding the chicken inside this one. And later we'll add the salt with oil inside. You will see this in a second.
There you go, guys. We added the onions here with the lemon. Let's take a look at this. Look how beautiful this looks like. We would
good.
Probably add salt in a little bit after we add the chicken that we just showed in the other step over here. We are cooking the chicken, as you can see, and it's actually taking the water out. That would probably take a few more minutes cooking this lovely shawarma. We have the shawarma ready. We made some wraps in here. Do you like cheese?
Oh, I love cheese.
Yeah, I like you. I love you more. So,
Say cheese.
cheese, we drop it like this. Alright, guys. I'll show you something interesting. Come here. What do you think? Isn't it? And it's good! And actually, we're good.
Now for the sauce, we use the same spices as the capsa, along with some tomato, some garlic, lemon, a little bit of tomato paste, and some vegetable oil.
And now let's make the sauce together. I have some hot oil in here. And we got our ingredients that we just talked about with my cowboy friend here.
Yes,
we
sir.
We just add the tomatoes with the garlic all at once. And we don't forget the main thing. Tomato sauce, but after this cooks and the tomato peels. Secret tip for some nice taste, cumin. And give me Mom, man. The sauce is ready, and now let's put it inside the grinder. Perfect. Perfect. All right, the moment of truth. Look at this. The sauce, the hummus, and my habibi here.
Howdy, y'all. Hey, you.
He's British, this guy, so let's go. Go ahead. After you do it, like this. Okay, pretty hard. Yeah, go ahead. This Mom, meal inside this bag. All right, let's add some chicken in here. Let's add some chicken in here and let's see how it goes after that. We'll start cooking it. Let me turn on the oven for a second. With the pan on high heat. Perfect. I'm gonna add this as well here. For the sauce, my man. Alright, that's good. I'll be cutting a lot of these scenes, so.
Yeah, that's why I figured I'm just gonna keep recording and.
Nah, just cut it now.
Okay.